Hello everyone, welcome to helpyomath.com. So this time we talk about factorial, permutation, and combination topic. Okay, so look at this example please. In how many ways can get the letter A, B, C, D, E, and F be arranged for a 6-letter security code, assuming each letter is used only once? Okay, then now we have a 6 digit. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth here. Okay, then now simply we can think the first digit can be A, B, C, D, E, or F here. You choose A here, then second digit you can only choose B, C, D, E, or F. Okay, and now then third become maybe C, D, E, and F. Now fourth only D, E, and F. Fifth becomes E and F. Then now sixth become F like that. So the first digit you have a total 6 different choices because we hasn't chosen any letter here. So I can say 6 different choices. After you choose one, then second digit become 5 different choices. Then third digit we can say 4 different choices, and 3 different choices, 2 different choices, and 1 choice basically. Therefore, this answer you can write 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 like that. But in Excel we can using Excel commander to find this answer, which we just call factorial. So n factorial means n times n minus 1 times and n minus 2 times, and then until 3 times 2 times 1 like that. Okay, therefore this case we can say answer equal to FACT. So this is factorial commander, then choose it, and then you put 6 basically because there are 6 letters, so answer becomes 720 here. Now the second question is 8 people compete in a downhill ski race, assuming that there are no tie. In how many different order can the skier finish? So same thing, we are organizing first place to the last 8th place. Then now in this case, like we did before here, we can just say answer becomes a factorial, therefore equal to a fact. So choose that and then put 8 because they have 8 different players. Then 40,320 different cases to arrange the order skill finish basically. Then now look at this question. So 43 race car started the 2007 Daytona 500. Then how many way can the car finish the first, second, and third? Okay, if we just do organizing from the first place to the last place, we can making 43 factorial. But 43 factorial means 43 times, 42 times, 41 times, 40 times until 3 times 2 times 1. So which means we can complete all 43 different digits. But we don't care from fourth place to the last place. So this case we only do 43 times 42 times 41 only. Make sense? Unlike factorial here. So like this, out of 43 different cases, we only choose 3 different digits, then we can using the permutation. So you can write 43 permutation 3. That's how we rewrite it. So this one case Excel commander is permute. So equal to PERMUT. Okay. And now you choose total number, which is 43, and then number of digits 3 here. So that should be the answer for this problem. Okay? Then now, next question. A pizza shop offers 9 toppings. No topping is used more than once. What is the total number of way to order a 3 topping pizza? Okay, so based on previous one, we can make 9 permute 3 here, right? Then this become permute total 9, and then we are choosing 3. So that should be the answer basically. But now, let's think about one scenario here. I choose maybe pepperoni and mushroom and onion here. So when I choose pepperoni first, mushroom second, onion third, or I choose pepperoni first, onion second, mushroom later, or we can do mushroom first, onion second, and then pepperoni last. But anyway, so basically they're all same pizza basically. So therefore, if we just making permutation in this case, so pepperoni, mushroom, onion, the pizza composition is must be different from pepperoni, onion, mushroom, or mushroom, onion, pepperoni, or onion, pepperoni, mushroom like that. But obviously they're all same pizza basically. So this time we cannot use permutation. Instead, we are using combination. Why? Because in this order doesn't matter. So whatever we choose, as long as I choose 3 toppings, same 3 toppings, we don't care about the order. So since we do not care about the order, so we need to use the combination. So combination command become combine. Okay, so this time we are writing 9 C 3 instead, and this means equal to combine and choose total 9 comma 3 here. So that should be the answer. So look at this here. When we're using permutation, we got 544 cases. But after using combination, we got 84. It's because of permutation, we have to carry the order. But combination, we don't have to worry about the order. That's the reason. Okay, so this time we cover factorial and permutation and combination, and this video helps you to understand when you can use those features. Alright, thank you.